Hello and welcome back from the holidays. A lovely peaceful Christmas and a mad crazy New Year's Eve. I hope you all had a lovely time off, and unfortunately it's all back to reality. Unfortunately we haven't been able to go out and fly. Well, number one, the weather was kind of not really great, and the other thing is, the most important thing was that Dave unfortunately fell sick during the Christmas time. So we ended up back in the hospital in Dublin. Anyway, he's on the mend now, so hopefully he'll be out in a day or two. Last year I managed to make or create 41 videos. The aim was to do as one per week, which would be 52 weeks, but it didn't happen. I thought I'll just start this as episode 1. It kind of continues to where I left from last year. Comparison the 3 drones. The Mavic 2 and the Mavic Air. I shall go back to where I pre-recorded before Christmas. It was my best intentions to post, but it just did not happen. Anyway, let's have a look at that clip to what I think about the Mavic Mini and Mavic Air and Mavic 2. Now then, let's see how we get on with Mavic Air. The reason I split it in 2 videos is because it gets too long. That I did not like that you have to use just the Mavic or DJI lead to use the app. I like it that I can have a spare lead like this. Let's say if you're using a bigger device like an Android or tablet or small tablet, so at least this one here gives me extra space and extra sort of maneuver. Not too short, it's not very comfortable. Okay, right, let's try. I like that system better. In case one of the leads don't work, you can use additional different type of leads. So it's got the same app, DJI Go. The fact is that you have to download an extra additional app to use the Mavic Mini. I did not like it. The drone is perfectly fine. It flies perfect, beautiful, holds on in the wind really well. So you connect there and just bring it through here, or whatever, through here, and connect your device, which I like it really a lot better. It's calibration. Adjust my settings. This one is fighting too because it is a small drone. There's not much weight on it. But it's holding a little bit better in that strong wind. Try bring closer to the horn. It's got the sensors at the back, whereas the other one doesn't have sensors. So I think this one is far better drone. Hold on, alright. See if you can land this one on the table. Not supposed to happen, but it landed in the into my cover from the camera that flew off. out my last one. Gosh. Well, it's this one here. Let's have a look at it. I have not flown this in a very long time. My eyes are starting to get teary from this wind. Oh, sorry about that. And the same principle again. I like it that you place it this way, and if one of the leads don't work, you can use any lead that is suitable. I have to pop this back up, okay? It keeps falling off. Okay, here we go. Now with this app, what we do is select Snap Mavic. It just picks up whatever the drone we have it in use. It shows me here that there's magnetic interference. I have had that before with the Mavic 2 Pro, whereas the Mavic Air would fly it anywhere, but this one here is quite sensitive at times, so it says magnetic interference, so I have to go somewhere else. Okay, so I got it going. It's up in the air and it's so steady. Watch. As you can see, there's not even a slightest movement, so I mean, how good is that? It's just sitting there steady. Look at that beauty. Absolutely love the Mavic 2 as well. There's the lovely village of Malahide. Isn't it beautiful the way the castle is set, and then there's the sea behind it. Amazing. My head totally now. Now my camera's gonna go again. I know that. Hello, little. Oh, hello, little. Come here. I have 2 dogs at home, Shih Tzu and a teacup, Yorkie. So.
He's worse than all of them together.
Is it?
He is, yeah. Crazy. He won't let you near him.
No, I can see that.
If you had treats, yes, but otherwise, no.
Oh yeah.
That's what he is. That's good work. You're doing well.
Yeah, I'm just testing to see because I'm just testing to see which is the wind resistant.
Yeah.
But this one is perfect. It's just sitting.
Very good.
Happy with that. Bye now. Bye, Lou. That is just one steady drone. Look how steady it is. I am impressed. Very good. table landing. Not bad at all. It shows that memory is full. Let's connect and see why I like these two drones better than the Mavic Mini. Well, and I can transfer the same lead from that onto my Mavic Air. This has become one of my favorite drones. So the same old principle, you connect your lead here, my smooth part goes against the controller, bring your lead across and just plug it in and plug it into the drone, or plug it into the phone, sorry. Okay, so switch it on, the same principle. And here you have to lift it up like the Mavic Mini. Okay, you can see very quickly, just recognizes that it's a different drone.
AVI mode.
This camera has got capacity to roll all the way up towards, let's say, the sky if you want to just take a time lapse of sky, whereas this one, it kind of goes halfway up, it doesn't go all the way up. Mavic Air does not have a time-lapse option, which this guy has, and I love it. Okay, so very much the same as on the Mavic Mini. You can adjust your ISO levels down here, or your shutters, whichever way you would like to have it. Okay, you can't fly this one in the dark because the settings it's not powerful enough, whereas the Mavic 2, I think you can fly in the dark. I haven't flown in the dark. You go here, again it gives you the options of active track, quick shot, cinematic modes, tap to fly, point of interest, and so on. I like these two drones better than the Mavic Mini with that connection. Okay. What I like it is that there's one DJI app and you connect, whatever you connect, it recognizes automatically and you're connected. Now follow me on the Mini, so that's a bit of a down to me. I use follow me quite a lot, if you have noticed, and of course there is no obstacle avoidance on the Mavic Mini, whereas this has got the obstacle avoidance front, the bottom and the back, far more protected from crashing it. Thanks a million for watching my first of this year's episode, and I shall see you next week. Goodbye. Slán. By the way, that's the chair, it's not my bones.